This is my key fob for my 2006 F250. You can see the little plastic part that keeps it on the key ring is broken off. So I ordered this case. I found it on eBay. So tonight we're going to see if we can maybe fix this. Okay, so you got two halves and new buttons in this part. Okay. Alright, so I got this letter opener, and probably not the ideal tool. That's what I got handy. Let me see here. We'll spread it here at the back. There it goes. So let's see here. Inside we have a battery. We have a circuit board. And the circuit board just lays down on top of here. I think. Okay. So yeah. So I pull the rubber part off. Okay. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Yeah, it comes out easy. So we'll just reverse the operation of disassembly here to reassemble it. Hopefully. Okay. And then this one right in here. Alright, now we need the battery in this side of it. Okay. So let's see here. There we go. And it went right in between these tabs here. Yeah, kind of like that. Alright. Put the halves back together if we can. Alright, well there's that much of it. So I guess the only thing left to do now is see if the thing works. Let's go see about this. You know, first thing I better do is disable the alarm, so let's do that. So then here's the new fob we just put together. And so let's see if... Yeah, it just locked it. There we go. And this button. Yeah, we fixed. Awesome. All right, and so we fixed all that for only $5. I'll put a link in the description. Y'all take care.